So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to like a game on Roblox and how you can fix when you can't like a game on Roblox. So how to do this, let's get started. First open your Roblox and then just click on the game you want to like. Make sure not to click on the play button, just click on the icon, and once this opens, here you'll see a small thumbs up button. Just click on this and it will like it. But if you can't like this, then what you need to do is click on this more button, then click on this settings, and then click on account info, and here you have to enter your email and verify it. And once you complete this process, just go back to your game and then play it for a few minutes, and then come back here and then like it, and then you'll notice that it has started working for you. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.